All right. Do you want to share what we're doing with the jumpstart pack?
Yeah, we're replacing the batteries on it. They were old. They weren't holding charge anymore.
So you want to explain?
Let me show you. These are off of Volvo. So what we did was just cut them up. Cut it in. Well, you're gonna need what? 3 of them, I believe. This hole right here, you're gonna have to put a notch on there so you can slide it over. So I'm gonna be placing the other battery on top of this so you guys can see.
So that one goes on the bottom, and then you put the new one, another one on top of it.
Let's spray it up.
Just like it's a additional setup,
Yeah.
for a semi truck to start, you know, because somebody would ask why 4?
And the good thing about this is you got the big wheels for the snow.
And we really never had issues with that kind of a setup. It was always, I mean,
It doesn't take up much
so
room, man.
easy. It's so easy to jumpstart a truck really quickly. And
No running eccentric cords, none of that.
no. So,
Got it
you
all?
got the cables?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's 2 ways you can do it, right? You can do this, or you can actually put the
Alligator clips on.
alligator clips. Yeah.
Which is what we're going to be doing.
Yeah, this works, but sometimes you need 2 people just to hold it.
Yeah, or you could
to
just
put it in.
jam it under,
Yeah.
but right there.
Yeah, and under no circumstances put those 2 together. Touch them. Or especially on the
Yeah, on the dolly.
dolly. Yeah. But
Yeah, that's why the clips come in handy, because like Freiliners, they have isolated, they have insulation on the sides, so
Yeah.
you won't be able to stick it under. You have to.
yeah, you have to clip it.
Yeah. Volvos, you can stick it under.
Yeah. Awesome. So that's the battery pack you guys can build. And well, for batteries, the dolly we bought at Harbor Freight for cheap. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.